let's back to the ball game. Start off the fourth and final quarter.
We are here, ladies and gentlemen. The final quarter of the Governor's Cup 2023 Season 1. We will crown the victor here. Who will be the first ever Governor's Cup Open Division champions? Is it Tagbilaran City or Talibon? Berong traveling on Berong.
Traveling violation.
Engito. So as you can see, no partner, we have not yet seen, wala kayo takita ni pag-shot this second half. The main point guard is Engito because he's had an off game right now.
Foul on jersey number 12, Jason Evangelista.
Coach Patrick
Second
Toto Borja has
personal
been
foul.
going
First
to
team
Engito
foul.
as the point guard for this second half. Engito, Pandan is open. In the other side, Pandan wants the screen. Balaba comes over, but Engito another three. But he misses. Pandan. Corner to Bugahod, back to Pandan. Another fake. Pandan, cross court. Engito drives. Ooh, what a move! Sayang, partner. Wala na sod ang layup. Karon na po ang Talibon na po ni. What a pass! What a pass! Oh! Sayang! By Eronico. That was a very easy basket, partner.
Foul on jersey number 7, Joem Engito.
Di gyud tanan nga masyado sa
Third personal foul
murag shot na
on
gyud.
Engito. First
Ay
team
na sa gyud nga maksipyat gyud. Torion, but another chance for Talibon. Torion lays it up. Uy! That was a foul call on Evangelista, and he does not agree with it. As you can
Foul
see
on
in his
jersey
reaction,
number 12,
Evangelista thought that it was a clean steal from
Third
behind.
Personal foul, second team foul. Warning for technical coach of Talibon for resentment of a
Shout out po ta kadiyot kay the referee is talking. Shout out kang kagawad kakang og boss Ralph J. Tampos. Pandan fakes. Goes to the shorter mid-range. But he does not get it to drop. This is the backcourt of Talibon. Torion and Evangelista. Pass. Uy! What a pass. What a passing here by Talibon. But that is a foul on Sales. So makita na to partner no, both back-to-back questionable
Jersey
calls.
number
Ganina sa
29,
Talibon,
Jude
karon sa
Sales.
Tagbilaran na pod.
Third personal foul, second team foul.
Mga good.
Substitution in Gito for Sales.
This is Hela, the game 1 hero for Talibon. He misses the first. Shoutout kuno from Joylito Carosos o John Doel Tomada. Shoutout from Mahanay, Talibon Bohol, ingon si Randy Torrifiel.
Substitution, pag-shot for Pandan.
Dos. Fast break, yes, partner. This is the final stand for Team Tagbilaran. Wow! Uy! Sayang ang miss by Balabag, partner. That was an easy layup pod. Pass to Eronico! Eronico! All the way! Talibon! 11-point lead now for Team Talibon over the capital, Tagbilaran City.
And final quarter, our official score,
Wow!
Talibon 62,
What a
Tagbilaran
bounce back game
51.
here for Team Talibon. From the very lopsided loss in Game 2 sa ilang home court. Now, they bounce back.
ilang tempo, slow pace good
Mga
partner.
gyud.
Kung makabinta sila, that's the time nga mo fast play sila partner.
Yes, partner. They don't allow Tagbilaran to get on their fast break game.
Correct partner, kay effective kay transition play.
For Tagbilaran, yes.
Even sa quarterfinal partner or even sa elimination, transition game of Tagbilaran is very effective.
That's credits to the defense of Talibon and the
Basketball
coach
game,
and the
8
coaching staff
minutes
to
and 13
adjust for that
seconds.
adjustment, partner.
Correct partner. Appreciate pa sa mga sa effort sa coaching staff. Kaya ilang nakita unsay ang ayan baton adjustments nga pagahimo to correct sa mga failures nga nagpunta sa this
Pag shot, Tubuga out for 3. He needs this. Now, Tagbilaran City needs their 3-pointers to drop para makaapas sila aning nga ball game. 8 minutes left in the final quarter. They're now employing a full man-to-man press. They want to pressure the ball handlers of Talibon. But this is Evangelista. So calm and collected. Back to Evangelista.
10 second shot clock.
Another pick and roll. Evangelista jumper. Rebound. Nakuha ni Engito. Fast break na po ni sila ang Tagbilaran. This is where Tagbilaran excels. Engito is all the way. But a nice defensive play. 2-on-1. 3-on-1. Berong!
Basket count.
And 1 for John Carlo Berong.
Foul on jersey number 28, Mark Floyd Bugaho.
To big play. What a play for Team Talibon. 13 ang labaw sa Talibon.
Substitution. Bueno for Engito.
Bisag batita na to diri partner no sa sud sa Kalapi Gym nga kansiyon sa fans ng Talibon. Gamay ra gyud ang fans nila karon. Pero they have been playing well.
correct partner. I think wala sila pressure pagtula partner. Unlike sa dito sa ilang
Concord nga.
I think pressure sila partner.
Pressure kay man nagtuo ang mga tao nga masimo champion na dito. Manang nalubong sila dito. But now here, they're playing well in a neutral court. 14-point lead for Talibon. Can Tagbilaran answer? Bugahod, no! This is Torion running. Berong again. Hard foul. Hard foul. Hard foul. Hard foul. And this is Bueno. Nangisog si Bueno. Mga higala.
Players, please
Unsa may
proceed
problema
to
ni
your
Bueno.
respective benches.
Mga higala.
And please
Very
observe
physical
proper
play.
bench decorum.
Fast break. Berong versus
Players,
Bueno.
Please proceed to your benches.
Bueno is fuming right now. What is happening? Mga higala. Anong nasuko mo siya ni Berong? Siya may ni foul. Let's see. Berong is still down, mga higala. Wow. What an action here. Berong is still down,
Again,
mga higala.
players, please proceed to your benches and
We
please
still
observe
don't know nganong
proper bench
nasuko man to
decorum.
si Bueno ato nga
No
bangga.
huddle, just sit down on your bench.
Nangisog siya after niya gibanggaan. Hard foul by Bueno.
Unsportsmanlike.
But ang wala na ko na sabtan no partner nganong nangisog si Bueno after. Nga siya may ni foul pod.
Correct partner. I think it was frustration.
Frustration foul by Bueno. Berong is now up on his feet. Oh! Berong is bleeding. Naik medics nga ni Dol niya. And murag ikaw nag-tissue kay murag nagkadugo ang naong ni Berong. Wow! What a development here.
Again, requesting our players to please proceed to your bench and please observe proper bench decorum. Lingkod lang palihog sa inyong tagsa-tagsa ka mga bench.
Wow! What a development here, mga higala. Let's see what's the call of the referee here. They're discussing it with the commissioners. We don't exactly know what is the right call.
Time remaining partner, 7 minutes.
7 minutes. 14. 14-point lead for Talibon. Berong is still holding on to a tissue. Muragi pahira, muragi kuha nagdugo yung naong. Partner. See what's the call of the referee here, mga higala. Again, this is 7 minutes left of the final quarter, the Game 3 Seniors Division Finals, the Governors Cup 2023. The Commissioner Peter Naron is discussing it with the coach of Talibon and coach of Tagbilaran City. $16.3K live viewers in our Facebook live stream.
Regular foul on jersey number 19, Bueno. Then unsportsmanlike foul on Berong for second motion. And disqualifying foul on Bueno for unsportsmanlike behavior.
So that's what the referee decision is. Bueno is now out of the game, but Berong is also called for an unsportsmanlike foul. We don't exactly see no mga higala unsay nahitabo gid ato, basta kay fast break ni Berong. And I think it was a foul by Bueno.
Bueno out of the game.
But pagkatumpa ni Berong,
third personal foul.
We don't exactly see what happened, pero mura na init og kalit si Bueno. And that led to his disqualification foul right now. But Berong is also called for the sportsmanlike for the second motion. $16.9K live viewers in our Facebook live stream. Shout out ninyong tanan.
Kudos po both teams, partner, no? Labi na sa management sa matag team.
Grabe. And shout out po to atong mga referee and our commissioners for making the situation under control, partner.
Technical foul on Alvarez and Bonado of Talibon for entering the court. Bueno may escorted by the PSF out of the playing court. PNP, please assist. Again, may I request the PNP to assist Bueno to out of the playing court. Let's back to the game.
Gala.
7 minutes and 15
Shout
seconds
out sa taas
remaining
atong
time
mga
for
live
the
viewers
fourth
karon.
and final quarter. Our official score, Talibon
17K live
65,
viewers.
Tagbilaran 51.
Shout out from Nino Aparece. Shout out Puguno from RJ Perin.
Timeout
Shout out Sir
for
Burak
Team
Tagbilaran.
Tagbilaran.
Watching from Sevilla. Again, 14-point lead for Team Talibon. Shout out Puguno from Epoy Simifranca, Dangdang Simifranca, Rodel Sindangan, Junior Sindangan, Brian Avenido, Jandro Mayasco, na nagtanaw karon live diha sa Porok 3
Back
Tanghaligi,
to the ball game.
Talibon,
7 minutes
from
and 15
Junel
seconds.
Busolanan. Shout out pod from Bana N.A. Jack.
Again, partner, no, kudos sa both team managers and team coaching staff. Na-control nila
They
yung mga
keep
players.
under control, no? So wala kay at least wala gubot.
Correct,
Dili na
partner.
ito ganahan makita ni partner nga magagubot. Again, the call stands. Unsportsmanlike foul on Berong, but disqualification foul on Bueno, partner.
Correct, partner.
2 free throws for Tagbilaran for the technical fouls of Alvarez and Bonado.
Pernade po extra technical foul from Alvarez and Bonado, partner. Kay once nga nagagubot ito, I think both benches players from the bench ni enter sa court. So manang na technical foul sila, partner. Shout out po kuno ni Mr. Kevin Salamanes of Paimo, the social media head of Paimo. Shout out po kuno ni Mr. Gavin Michael Cubillo of Paimo.
Alvarez and Bonado. After
Shout out sa
that, there will
tibuok
be
na tong
a
Paimo
2 free
team
throws
from
for
Provincial
Talibon
Capital of
for
Bohol.
act of shooting
In charge karon sa atong live stream.
for the regular foul of Bueno.
Shout out from J. Clyde Carosos. Go Talibon. Shout out to Sembawang Segments. Watching from Singapore, ingon si Ednardo Avenido. Shout out ko kay Kolbaan ko from Eizerner. Kolbaan agad kaayo mga higala. That was 2 free throws by I think Bugahod that trims the lead down to just 12. Labawang Talibon mga higala. This is the battle of the North and the South. Shoutout from Leoligaw family pod kuno. Ingon si Edat Leoligaw. Shoutout watching from Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. From Joshua Pakilit. And now Berong misses the 2 free throws, partner. This is a chance for Tagbilaran to come back.
Correct, partner. Dili nimo kumpiyansahan ng Tagbilaran, partner, kay aduna sila yung mga sharpshooter sa threes,
Pag
partner.
shot is open. And pag
Like
shot!
that,
For 3!
I think that foul, no, partner, that killed Talibon's momentum, no? Kinahulong
Correct,
sila
partner.
tanan. And then, it allowed Tagbilaran to bring this lead down to 9. So, Juan po, partner, this is a very good timeout by a Talibon coach. Kay magka-sense na niya nga ang momentum starting to shift. And then he calls a timeout right
Correct,
there and
partner.
then.
That's a right call sa coach sa Talibon, partner. As I said, partner, dili nimo kumpiyansahan ang team Tagbilaran tungod kay aduna sila yung mga strict shooters sa threes, partner.
Shout out sa atong peak concurrent
Back
live
to the ball
viewers. 17.6K. Wow. This is the final game. Team 3, the Governor's Cup 2023. Talibon versus Tagbilaran. Clutch time here at the Calabi Sports Center. Evangelista, the star player of Talibon, has to make a play. Evangelista to Berong jumper. And John Berong
John Carlo Biro!
bounces it in. His mid-range jumper.
First bounce, partner.
Grabe. It is his night today, partner. Gamble by Evangelista. Ano yun? Stolen!
Interception by Ironico.
Stolen by Ironico. But sayang, naguna si Evangelista. Wala nakita ni Ironico. But it is a foul for team Tagbilaran City.
6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining sa ball game, partner. The score 67-56. 11-point lead by Talibon.
Second personal foul on Pagshot.
Eronico, crucial free throws here, mga higala. He makes the first one. Eronico goes 1 out of 2. Pagshot, running, Tagbilaran is running again. They want the 3. Here is Bugahod in the corner. Bugahod! Oh!
Bugahod for 3!
Tagbilaran's 3-pointers is starting to hit right now, partner. Very physical defense. Evangelista, no 3 in the ball game. Let's see if he can make 1. Para steal, may Tagbilaran sere. Pagshot to Pandan. Fix. Balabag! No! Daghanang sayang ni Balabag karong adlaw. And Berong for the is a layup.
Giancarlo Bilmo!
Just imagine, partner, gihungit na partner. Giluwa paghihapon.
Daghan og sayang karon kung mabantayan nimo Balabag si Balabag, partner. Mga easy layups no pero wala gid na shot. Bugahod another 3. Wala. He gets it back to Pandan. Drives. It's magshot. Sorry, di kayo makita dali kay na ay speaker.
Foul.
18
Jersey number 12, Jason Evangelista.
18K viewers
Warning for
in the live stream.
disqualification.
Grabe,
Jason
mga tao sa
Evangelista.
Bohol.
Substitution. Herale for Evangelista. Warning for penalty, Team Talibon.
11-point lead again, no? For Team Talibon, mga higala. 6 minutes. 5. I think that's 5 minutes.
5 minutes and
And
29
29
seconds.
Bugahod! Bang!
Bugahod for
Wow.
3!
Bugahod is stepping up for Tagbilaran right now. 2 3-pointers in this quarter, partner.
8-point
Now, what
lead
will
by
Talibon
Talibon.
do? That's a foul on the screen. May
Foul
pag-shot.
on jersey number 28, Bugahod.
Mga higala,
Penalty.
nanginit na.
Second personal foul.
Si Mark Floyd
Tagbilaran
Bugahod.
on penalty.
Bugahod is a former, I think PMI, varsity player.
Correct, partner. Mo na usa sa gisaligan sa Tagbilaran, partner. Ang shooting ni Bugahod nga mangigo, partner.
Torion with the clutch free throw. And now Evangelista takes a rest for a bit. He is subbed out for Herale. Another shooter for Talibon. Shooters bounce, wala for Torion. Siya manglabaw. So Talibon 71-62. 5 minutes in the ball game for the first ever Governors Cup champion.
1 minute.
Pandan is open. Nag-hesitate siya pero he still take it. Nag-hesitate si Pandan na to, partner. Manang magdadua siya itsa that lead to the miss.
Correct, partner. Walay continuity sa iyang motion, partner, no? Mo na maglisod siya o shot. Usually mo na sipyat sa mga shooter nga mag-hesitate kag shoot, partner.
Herale is open. Herale, big 3 incoming. No, he's fakes it and he lays it up. Oh my! Magjo Herale with a clutch bucket for Talibon. Back to an 11-point lead, partner. What a game here by Talibon. Engito. They want Bugahod. Another 3 by Pandan. Wala gihapon si Pandan. Now, Talibon wants to slow things down. 4 minutes left. And the quarter of Herale is open for 3. Rebound! Eronico comes up with it. Eronico! Oh! Put back by Vincent Eronico.
Mo makita, partner, no? Kung ang player gusto mo daog, partner,
They
he will
want
do
it
everything.
more. Grabe. Talibon seems to want it more.
Yes. They are hungry,
Bugahod!
partner.
Another
Another
3.
3 for Bugahod.
But Bugahod
Back to 10
wants
points
it
lead.
more for Tagbilaran, partner. As you can see in his eyes, he's locked in. Grabe. 3 3-pointers for Mark Floyd Bugahon in the fourth quarter.
10 seconds shot clock.
Herale. Back out to Torion. Wants the pick and roll.
Seconds to shoot.
Torion. What will he do? To Hela in the middle. But he is stripped. Nasapid.
Foul.
And that will be a foul. And the penalty for Tag Bilaran City.
Substitution. Sales for Engito. Engito for Pandan. Substitution for Team Talibon. Pagobo for Herale. Third personal foul on Marjo Engito. Penalty.
3 minutes left in the ball game. And now we can see some fans of Tagbilaran City, partner, are starting to head for the exits. Nakasense na ba sila?
Partner, tungkol kay ang 10-point lead, partner, is only 3 ball position na, partner.
So, di pa gin matag na ang duwa, partner, no? And this is a very physical foul again.
Foul on jersey number 10, Vincent Eronico.
With 3 minutes left in the game.
Warning for disqualification, Vincent Eronico.
10-point lead
penalty.
for
Penalty.
Talibon. This will be the chance for Team Tagbilaran City to cut into the lead. Sales. Easy free throw. Now, partner, makakita ka karon. There are 2 big men for Tagbilaran City. Gidungan nila si Balabag ug siya Sales. They try to limit the size advantage board of Talibon. 2 free throws for Sales.
Back to 8-point lead, partner.
Taas pa, partner. 3 minutes left. Di pa gid kakumpensahan nga duwa. Torion. Still may pag-shot. And it's a jump ball.
Jump ball. Tagbilaran's ball.
Oh! And something. This is something for Tagbilaran City. Change ball possession.
Substitution. Evangelista for Pagobo.
Now, this is the final lineup for Team Talibon. The star player is back in. Crunch time moments. 3 minutes left. Kinsay, mo champion sa Governor's Cup 2023. 8-point lead for Talibon. Engito all the way, but he misses. Rebound. Strong rebound by Hela right there. Torion to Evangelista, crosses the half court. Goes to Berong. Talibon is slowing things down. Torion to Eronico to Evangelista. Wala. Tagbilaran is running. Pag-shot versus Torion. Point guard versus point guard. And Pag-shot wins
Pag-shot.
that matchup right there.
So, now it's only
Team Talibon.
points, partner.
Only a 6-point lead, mga higala. Kato mga nigawas ganina, nga nigawas mo sila, nga wala pa man human ang duwa.
Correct, partner. Ang time remaining is only 2 minutes and 28 seconds.
Daghan pang
For the
mahitabo
fourth
na,
quarter.
partner.
Daghan pang mahitabo, partner.
6-point lead na lang for Team Talibon. Will they be able to hold on to this lead? Or will Tagbilaran City complete this very furious comeback in the fourth quarter? In a game where they were down by 14 points. The lead is only down to 6 points.
Back to the goal game with 2 minutes and 28 seconds.
Nice
remaining
timeout by
time
Talibon
for the game.
to set up a play and hopefully have a good look at the basket for a shot. Let's see how they execute here, Talibon. But a foul.
Foul on jersey number 29, Jude Sales. Warning for disqualification, Jude Sales. Penalty.
Talibon missing the free throws, partner.
And Berong, another chance for Tagbilaran, partner, to inch closer in this lead. But Berong makes the second to make it a 3-possession ball game.
Correct,
7-point lead. Pag-shot back now in the ball game. To Ingito. To Bugahod. He's hot. Bugahod. But he misses that time. Rebound. Goes to Evangelista. Now he is running to Berong. And is fouled again. Very hard foul again on Berong. Partner.
Foul on jersey number 29, Jude Sales. That was your 5th personal foul. You're out of the game.
Oh, disqualification foul. Graduate na. Si
Yes,
Sales,
partner. The last foul na to ni Sales, partner.
5 fouls na.
Penalty. Substitution, Pandan for Sales.
Small ball ang Tagbilaran, partner. Only Balabag is the big man, partner. The rest ay mga kauban, mga shooting, partner. Shooter.
I think what Tagbilaran wants to do here, partner, no? They want to shoot the three to be able to inch closer in this deficit. Nagbutang sila upat ka gagmay para pas-pas.
Yeah.
Ang mutira og tres, partner.
Last 2 minutes!
Last 2 minutes of our Governor's Cup 2023. What will happen here? Ingito for 3. Crucial. No! Rebound. Agawan. Agawan sa rebound. Nakuha ni Torion. One minute. We are in the clutch time, partner. Who will step up and execute here? Will it be Tagbilaran City?
Out of bounds, Tagbilaran's ball.
1 minute and
Talibon.
36 seconds. Talibon leading by 7 points. 3-possession ball game, partner.
3-possession ball game, 7-point lead. Ingito. Once this is Ingito, open pag-shot.
I think nobody
They're
wants to
daring
take
him
the
to
shot,
shoot.
partner. For
No one
Tagbilaran.
wants to take the shot. And a steal for Talibon. Steal for Talibon. Wow! Wow! Tarion! 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 Yes! Pag-shot, now he takes the three. Bang! Wow!
Nicky
Wow!
Pagshot
What an answer
for 3.
for Tagbilaran City. 6-point lead now. But a foul on pag-shot.
On jersey number 1, Nicky Pagshot.
I think that was a bad foul, partner, kay penalty na.
Correct, partner. But wala siya sa partner, no? Kanang decision making na sa usa ka player
Coaching
tungod
staff.
kay what if dili ni masyat ang free throw, partner. So good foul gihap na siya, partner.
I think it's 50-50, partner,
Yes.
kumbaga. I think you need to also to choose the free throw po, no? Kung kisay mo free throw. I think Torion is a point guard, so he might be able to make these 2 shots. And that, he makes it. So if Torion makes these 2 shots, that makes the foul of pag-shot a bad foul.
Yes, correct, partner.
18.7K live viewers. And Torion makes
Makes
both.
free throws.
1 minute left. 8-point
1
lead.
minute.
Let's stand na. Marog ng tanang tao dire. Mga higala. Bugahod. Oh, still! Still by Talibon!
49
Wow!
seconds.
49 seconds here. Team Talibon is sensing it.
Excited kayo ang taga-Talibon, partner, to celebrate sa first
They are
Governor's Cup
starting to
Championship, partner.
celebrate here, mga higala.
Foul.
They are starting.
On jersey number 1,
celebrate
Nicky
here.
Pagshot. Warning for disqualification, Pagshot. Penalty.
And Torion, what a bounce back game for Torion.
Correct, partner. Consistent free throw shooter.
Grabe. Grabe. Torion. But misses a second free throw. Let's see. Tagbilaran wants a 3 again. Pag shot, corner. What is fouled? Bad foul by Berong, partner.
Foul.
Manong gi-foul ba man to ni Berong?
Correct,
When they're
partner. No need to
leading.
foul. No need to
No need
foul,
to foul
partner.
in that situation, partner.
Because Tagbilaran has a chance to score.
Warning
Yeah,
for
stopping the clock, partner.
disqualification on Biro.
Bad foul, partner, for
Foul
Berong.
for Berong.
Tagbilaran has the chance to score even if the
Time is
clock
not,
is
not ticking.
not ticking.
Ang pag-shot is also clutch from the free throw line,
Correct,
partner.
partner.
Pag-shot makes 2 of 3. Breathing life into Tagbilaran City. But misses the third one. And rebound to Talibon. And a foul.
Foul
to Torion again.
on jersey number 1, Nicky Pagshot. You're out of the game.
And the foul out for Nicky Pagshot. Wow. Just wow. What a ball game we're witnessing here, mga higala.
Pagshot.
Ito to partners, atong kauban sa SK, Hermes Solera of Luway, kauban sa iyang asawa, Ma'am Helen Solera.
Torion makes both free throws. What a bounce back game for him. Engito. Wala. 30 seconds left. Talibon is sensing it. This will be the ball game. 19. Another foul. Talibon is starting to celebrate, mga higala.
And Quito. Warning
Partner,
for disqualification
the
and
first
Quito.
Governor's Cup trophy for senior division will
Wow.
go to Talibon.
17 seconds left to declare that decision, partner, no? Pero I think it is clear as day. Klarong-klaro. 10-point lead for Team Talibon. What a performance here.
Partner, we thought all the while nga low scoring game, but now look at the score, 84 to
Grabe ang fourth
74.
quarter scoring, no, partner? Pandan to Bugahod.
10 seconds.
He wants this. No! And that will be it! Talibon
Congratulations, Team Talibon!
is your first ever Governor's Cup
Ladies and
champion!
The final score is 84-74. We have a champions. Congratulations, Team
Talibon is the kings of Bohol basketball. Wow! And the confetti